Let's quickly demo how to use Google Dataflow to create ETL pipelines. Here you can see my input file, which is a CSV file. It has 6 columns. Here I have a BigQuery schema file, and I have a user-defined function file that you can find a template on Google's documentation. Here you can see I have a demo bucket ready. I have my input CSV file stored in input folder. And I also store the 2 JSON files that I mentioned earlier. One is for schema and one is for user-defined function in another folder. I have a temp folder that just stores some failed messages. Next, let's go to BigQuery. You can go to BigQuery from Cloud Console and make sure you are under the correct projects. Under your project name, you can create dataset from these 3 vertical dots. Once you have the table ready, let's go to Dataflow. Click on Pipelines under Dataflow. You can create your own data pipelines from different templates. Here what I chose was batch process, and that is text file on cloud storage to BigQuery. Since I already have a pipeline built up, I can show you how to specify those parameters. Here you can schedule your batch pipeline, and then there are some required parameters that you have to fill out. So for example, user-defined JSON path, that will be here. And then there is a JSON path that's for schema file. BigQuery output table that will be specified here, and I have my input path specified here. I use Google Managed Encryption Key as my encryption. There are some optional parameters that you can check out. Since I already have the pipeline ready, I click Cancel here. Once you submit your pipelines, you can go to Jobs to monitor the job. This was the job that just ran successfully, and you can check on the job steps here. It shows that 20 out of 20 stages succeeded. So I go to BigQuery. This is the table that just output successfully. You can click on Export here to work with Google Sheets, or work with Data Studio, or scan with Data Loss Prevention API. Here I chose to work with Data Studio. So here you can see the time series line charts. That's for my Bitcoin dataset. If the pipeline failed, that will send a Dataflow job failed alert to my email, and that will look like this.